Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Code and Clockwork YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be talk about completely how to use the LLM in Google Colab. Okay, so this is actually about free of the GPU as well as we don't need to pay any as well. It is full of free of the cost and free of the cloud. Guys. Okay, so this is actually how to do. Okay, let's going to be start to the project. So first of all, we are using Python package. So to install the Python package, or the command we should use is pip install Olama. So this is actually going to be install the Olama. Okay. Before that, we should enable the runtime. Go click the runtime and click the change run type, and finally you should set this T4 GPU. Okay. So this is a main method we need to run the LLM. So once we are installed, then we are going to be go into the main topic. So we are going to be import the LLM first of all. Okay. After that, we are going to be call the local host. So this is actually we need to call this because what it happen means it going to be called one local API. Okay, using this local API only it going to be generate the code. So first of all we are going to be called. Yeah, it's successfully done. Once we are called, then we are going to be called the LLM packages. Here we are going to be use the Gemma package. Okay, so now we are going to be run the code. We should give the prompt is very important. This is a Gemma 3 point colon B. So this is a model. There are the LLM, there are a lot of model is available. You can go and check in with this website. There are a lot of LLM model is going to be showing. Whatever model you want, you can use here. Hmm, Sorry, models. Yeah, we got this. So this is the complete LLM models, friend. Here you can whatever model you want, you can use the LLM model, and it going to be then we can going to be generate here. Okay, once it is we are used, then we can give the prompt. Prompt is nothing about once we give the prompt, it automatically it take that prompt and generate the output based on it. So here I'm going to be give on prompt, then we can going to be check the out how it's going to be work. Yeah, this is actually I'm given write the Fibonacci series code in Python. Don't explain. So now it's going to be generate the Python code in the Fibonacci series. Okay. So mm, not printed the response. Okay, finally we are going to be print the response. Then it's going to be return the output. Yeah, this is the complete output generated by the Olalama friends. You can able to see this is the complete output. Fibonacci series, how it's going to be create the code, how it's return the output, where the output is like that. So if we use this, it's going to be the Fibonacci series going to be ready. So this is how we can completely freely use the Olalama in the Google Colab without the GPU and at completely $0 free cost. So thank you for watching this video, guys. In next video, I will be going to be talk about how to use the Olalama API or create the Olalama API in the Google Colab. Once we created the Olalama API in the Google Colab, that API we are going to be use our local system. So this is how I actually use it. So we know there are a lot of APIs is a free APIs is there, that is we are using means. So that how we are going to be created in this Google Column. Okay, and going to be used in our locals. In next video I'm going to be show how to do this completely. Okay, thank you for watching video. Thank you. Bye bye.